The human brain is not a static organ. It is a dynamic network that constantly reshapes itself. Many assume that memory decline is an inevitable consequence of aging, yet neuroscience tells a different story. The concept of neuroplasticity proves that at any age, the brain can create new connections and pathways. The decline often begins not because of age itself, but because of a lack of mental engagement. Think of your brain as a muscle. If you stop challenging it, it loses its functional capacity. To keep your memory sharp, you must move beyond passive activities. Watching television or scrolling through content rarely stimulates the cognitive functions required for memory retention. Instead, focus on novelty and complexity. Learning a new language or mastering a musical instrument forces the brain to build new bridges between neurons. If that seems daunting, start with dual tasking. This involves performing two activities simultaneously, such as listening to an audiobook while solving a puzzle or tracking a conversation while walking in a new environment. This forces the brain to allocate resources across different regions, strengthening the prefrontal cortex. Another highly effective method is the method of loci, or the memory palace. This technique relies on spatial memory. Visualize your home and place items you need to remember in specific corners of your rooms. When you need to recall these items, walk through your mental house. The brain is evolutionarily wired to remember locations better than abstract lists. Furthermore, socialization is a powerful cognitive catalyst. Engaging in complex discussions requires active listening, quick retrieval of vocabulary, and logical processing, all of which are rigorous workouts for the brain. Finally, integrate spaced repetition into your daily life. Do not try to learn everything at once. Review information in increasing intervals, today, 2 days later, then a week later. This process signals to your brain that the information is important, effectively moving it from short-term to long-term memory storage. Consistency is the primary factor. Even 15 minutes of structured mental challenge every day is more effective than hours of passive reading once a week. By systematically applying these methods, you maintain the vitality of your cognitive functions.